Right, good afternoon. We have just driven through Townsville. We've decided not to stay there because we've been there before. The weather has improved, it stopped raining, and it's 30 degrees and a little bit cloudy and delightful.
Well, it's delightful in the air conditioning.
Yeah, so, alright, we've decided to go to a little place called Crystal Creek. We're booked in there for one night. We'll just see how we go. Alright, we'll see you there. Hooroo! Good morning. We're staying at Crystal Creek. Just wanted to show you this awesome caravan park near Crystal Creek River. Crystal Creek Creek. It is awesome. It's $35 a night, power water. Really big grassy sites, and they look after this place so good. I'll just pan you around. So that's us. You can get some slab sites. Yeah, lovely family own this place. He comes around for a chat while we're having a beer in the afternoons, about 5 o'clock, and these guys just work non-stop all day. It's fantastic. All right.
Climbing under a barbed wire fence by the railroad ties, climbing over the old stone wall, I'm bound for the riverside. Well, I go to the river to soothe my mind, to ponder over the crazy days of my life, to sit and watch the river flow. Find a place on the river bank where the green rushes grow. See the wind in the willow tree and branches hanging low. Well, I go to the river to soothe my mind, to ponder over the crazy days in my life. Watch the river flow, ease my mind and soul where I go. Well, I will go.
Just went for a drive up to Paluma. Lovely drive, beautiful views.
Narrow road.
Narrow, windy, very steep.
Yeah, with no side rails.
Oh, it was much better being the passenger. Just hanging your head out the window and enjoying the view.
Yeah, some beautiful views up there.
So where are we?
Little Crystal Creek.
Yeah, we're just going to check out the old stone bridge and the waterfall.
Yeah.
You can probably hear it. Okay, catch up. So there's been a lot of rain and the waterfalls are pumping. I'm just going to go and check it out. There it is. There's the old stone bridge. Awesome. Is it? Yeah, okay.
By the cool rolling waters, moving gracefully and slow. Ooh, a child is love, it's lovely. Let the river take it all away. The mind pays the hurry back.
Wow, look at that. Pretty nice, hey? I wouldn't want to go for a swim in there right now. Check that out. It's
Got any good hikers inside?
hiking boots?
Yeah.
Yeah? No, good girl. Like, there's sunny blue skies today, but we did have a fair bit of rain last night. Look at this place. Great shot. We're just heading to Paradise Waterhole at the big Crystal Creek. There's no one here. Nice. Just got a little walk. Wow. That is some waterhole.
Yeah, I know.
Look at this. Whoops. Oh. Beautiful. You looking for crocs?
Either a pump or turn. Come up and we whoop, smash back into the water.
True. Right, if you go past the big Crystal Creek waterhole, you end up at a car park.
Waterhole?
Paradise, yep, waterhole. We've renamed it, it's just beautiful.
That's what it is.
Oh, okay. That's what it's called. Yeah, drive past that, hit a gate, park your car, go for about a 300-metre walk. You'll get to the water slides, but the water's running too quick today, so it's too dangerous. We can't actually do it. But check this out. Yeah. You could find a little water hole though and have a little sit.
I wouldn't be going down the slide today, unfortunately.
Yeah, the slides are just behind that tree and it's just running too quick. We'll come back in the morning and see if it's slowed up a bit.
Go a bit further up.
Yeah, we're just going to go and explore up there a little bit more. Cool, all to ourselves. Oh, look at that. Looks like Tracy's on the move. We're going up there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this.
This is magnificent. I love my life. You can sit in that water hole there, Trace, I reckon.
In this little one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon so.
Yeah. Cold?
Well, that's so slippery.
Yeah, you don't get up.
Kristen is nooey. Anyway, she can't come everywhere, unfortunately.
See, even in the pouring rain, there's positive.
Yeah, because we get this, right? We get this crazy stuff.
Go,
Beautiful. Righto. Catch you later.
Surging over the top. Goes down and up. Woo! Up back.
This is beautiful.
Oh, safe. Woo! Yeah, so, Crystal Creek.
Yeah. Put it on your bucket
Oh
list.
my God, yes.
Unreal.
It is-
Especially now. Had some rain and
Yeah.
it's, as you can see, flowing really well. Very nice. Tomorrow we'll be able to slip and slide.
We will be. We'll come back in the morning, yeah? Who would have thought we were over 50?
Who's over 50? I didn't know you were over 50.
Oh, only just. Righto, catch up. Feel like I'm 15 years old again. Oh, that's warm. Sit in here, Trace, it's warm. Yeah. Whee! She's off. She's determined.
If you love somebody, better tell them why they're here, 'cause they just may run away from you. You'll never know quite when, well, then again it just depends on how long the time is left for you. I've had the highest mountains, I've had the deepest river. You can have it all, but life keeps moving. I do the world, waiting on this for a while now, paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile, been holding it in for a while. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world. I've tried to cut these corners. I could have gave up then, but then again I couldn't have, 'cause I've traveled all this way for something. I take it in, but don't look down.
Okay, yeah.
'Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile. Been holding it in for a while. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. I'm on top of the world.
Bottom. Float. Switch it goes. Good girl.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Waiting on this for a while now. Paying my dues to the dirt. I've been waiting to smile. Been holding it in for a while. Take you with me if I can. Been dreaming of this since a child. And I know it's hard when you fall down.
Don't go that way.
Way up and you hang around, but get up now. Get up. Get up now.
Oh, yeah.
And I know it's hard when you're falling down, and it's hard
I'm too free.
around. Get up now. Get up. Get up now.
Beautiful.
I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of
Yeah.
the world.
No, you can't touch me.
No.